So what I want to do in the next 2 minutes is to show everybody how we are going to look at the number of minutes or the amount of time that each one of you have given for the StepUp.1 meeting. I think it is a fantastic measure which reflects the commitment of us as a team, right? So I'm really want to use this initially to excite ourselves, to tell everybody how many people are attending, how long are they attending, and how many hours we have put on the table for that particular day, right? But also I want to do like a monthly summary of how much time have we spent together in the whole month, and put it as a social media post on all our channels, because I think it's really important for the whole world to know how much time are we putting to make this a success, right? I think that's just, I just thought of an idea and I thought, this is going to be big. So I'm just going to quickly show you. So this is my Zoom, report. I've just put in, from 20 September to 21 September, and it's already, given me this particular meeting that we had yesterday. We had this meeting for 157 minutes yesterday, which is approximately 2 hours and 37 minutes. It says 108 participants, but I'm sure it's not 108. It is saying that because it's exactly the same thing, right? Like, many people would have gone out and come back, etc., right? So for example, you see Deng, it says 2 minutes, right? But then again, it says Deng for 5 minutes. I'm sure it will say Deng again for 15 minutes. So Deng has been, dropping out many times. But what happens when I say show unique users? Okay, when I click on this, see Deng Dak 154 minutes. So even though Deng has dropped out many times, right, he's been there for nearly 99.9% of the time, right? 154. Whereas this Bilevane Mukili has been only there for 9 minutes. Jackie was there for 137, Patience 157, Jonas 44, Anis 156, Sadiq 155. So it basically puts together all of our thing and then gives us this report. Okay, but this is just daily, yesterday's report. Okay, and I can export this report like this. Once I export it, it will come out like this, right? You can see this, right? So all I have to do is make a small table. Okay, because it's always nice to make a table, right, of anything that you want to do. And then it is always nice to sort it, right, from largest to smallest, right? So I click here and say largest to smallest. Okay, so that you can do this in anything. You can do this in Google thing or whatever. So Patience was number 1, and a bunch of people just was there for just 5 minutes, 3 minutes, whatever it may be their problem. We don't want to, so you take this, right? So totally, how many people attended? 47 people. That's the total number of people who attended. I copy this, come to our thing, and then WhatsApp channel, and then say, yeah, just put it over here. Yesterday, let's say that is the 20th September 2022. 47 people attended the meeting. Together we spent over, how much time we spent? Just you can just do a calculation, just put a summation, 3,364 hours. 3,364 hours. This is true timer. This is the actual time that we spent yesterday, all of us together. Together we spent to learn and reskill, as well as hunt for our jobs and clients, right? So this is what I want somebody to do from your team, Farah, right? Let me just pause the recording. Basically, it's very simple every day, okay? And then I'll do the same thing for every month, okay? what he's supposed to do, come inside Zoom, go to the meeting that we did yesterday. Okay, so this will be ready yesterday itself. So you can come, click on this 108 participants. Okay, you click on this 108, you get the report. Don't export this report. This report will have all the people. Just say show unique users. Okay, and then you can also export with meeting data if you want. Click the export button. The Excel sheet will come out. Create a small table, make the summation, do the sorting of the highest to the lowest, so that people know who's on the top and who's on the bottom. And then simply copy this and paste it like this. Is this clear to you, Farah? Would you be able to assign somebody who can do this on a daily basis?
Yes, Anis. Yeah. How do you add all the days then?
How do I add what, Farah?
All the days, like 7 days of the week.
No. Don't worry about the. I'll do that. I will do the monthly. So that's very easy. I can teach you. So the way it works is here, right? You see here. I click on the calendar. So today is what, 21st, right? So I can take this one, 21, last month 21 to this month. So 21 meaning I have to take 22, because it can only give me a report for 1 month. Okay, so click here and choose 21. 21 is today, right? Today is 21/9. So from last month 22nd to this month 21st, which is today, which is exactly 1 month, I can do the search. This will bring me the entire meeting that we have done. So we have done total of 49 meetings. Okay, this will be similar to what I showed you yesterday. Okay, so 49 meetings. And then what you can do is, these 49 meetings, which is there, you can basically say generate details report, this one. And then it is exploding right now. So can you see here, 21/9 at 8:10, it is processing. This will take like 1 or 2 minutes to finish. Okay, because you're asking Zoom to give you the report for the entire month, right? So this will take like 2 minutes. Once it is finished, it will give you the download. Okay, I'll just remove all these other things so that you don't get confused with previous ones, right? Okay, it's finished. So this is the one, right? 21. So this is the only one that I think we have done. 21. Yeah, this is the one we just now did. So download it. So this is the monthly one, right? The first one that I showed you was daily. This one is monthly. So I'm going to open the monthly one. Its monthly one is slightly tricky, isn't it? Because it's not like obvious or easy. It's slightly going to be tricky. So this is the monthly one. Obviously, it's going to be quite tricky for you to, because it is so many, right? So first of all, you have to make a table like this. Okay, I'll teach you, but it's not going to be easy. So you have to, select the entire data like this. I'm just doing page down. I'm holding my shift key and doing a page down, right? So that I can select everything. Okay, so I've selected the entire table. Can you see that I've selected the entire table? I can do that by holding the shift key, selecting and this thing, and then immediately I'll do a format table like this, right? So it becomes like this. After that, I have to do a pivot table. A pivot table is insert, pivot table, pivot and chart, and then click here, Control A. So the name of this table is table 1. So that's why it has come as table 1 here. Okay, right? And then I have to do a pivot. This is quite tricky for you guys to do it, but I'll anyway teach you, because this is such an important skill. Maybe you might like it. So participants, what is the report that we want, right? We want all the meetings. So basically, let's say the meeting, let me put the start time of the meeting as one of the things. So these are all the 49 meetings that we've had. So I've clicked start time and I put it over here. Then I want to know who participated in it, right? So what is the name of the person who participated? Name, original name, right? So that's the one. So I'm going to take name, original name, and I'm going to put them here. So I know, in each meeting, how many people were there. Okay, can you see? On this date, this many 4 people. On this meeting, this many people. So, it gives like this. And then how much time did they attend is there in duration. I'll put it in values. and that's it. So it's so easy here like this, right? 9, whatever, right? But this whole thing is not very useful to me because it just gives me a complete list, right? Now, if I move the name to the columns like this, something amazing happens. You see, if I move the columns like that, then I know that who came in. I can just do a sort largest to smallest, bingo, right? So Anis becomes number 1 with 3,600 meeting, Farah, Chol, blah, 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 right? So we get this one, but this is not an easy to, so we know exactly who attended which day. So Farah attended this meeting for 13 minutes, this meeting for 153, this meeting for 34. He didn't attend these 2 other meetings. Maybe those are my client meetings. Okay. So this is how it comes. But now I have to make it in an easy format instead of meeting and the minutes they attended. I need to make sure they are name and the total. So all I do is I take the name, I put it over here. I take the start time, I put it over here. Oh no, maybe not there, like here. That's it. Now you see what happened. It gave me and my total number, right? And it's already sorted, right? I can do sort from lowest to highest or sort largest to smallest. So this is the monthly total, like I published yesterday, right? So how many hours have we spent together monthly? 49,699. Okay, which is a significant number. Okay, so we can publish this figure as well as thing. Hope you guys got them.